I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
Good morning. We fell asleep downstairs. This is the second night we've slept on the floor as if we don't have beds.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. We stay sleeping on the floor like we don't have beds.
Stop. On the
Madison,
weekends.
don't press her. Look, Maddie fell asleep in her clothes. We all fell asleep in our clothes. I fell asleep first, and then everybody else was like, okay, well, I guess this is where we're staying.
I fell asleep first.
Oh, you fell asleep first?
Yeah, because Jaxson and TV.
All right, well, go upstairs, take a shower, brush your teeth. Make sure you take a shower. Like, oh my gosh, guys, this is what. Look at him. Say good morning, Rob.
I don't want to.
All right, go upstairs, brush your teeth, take a shower, get out of these clothes.
I took a shower yesterday.
Go now. It's not no school routine. Jaxson, go upstairs, pick out a new, fresh outfit. Yeah.
Bring my charger.
Yes.
I did
Jordan.
yesterday.
It doesn't matter. Go take a shower now.
Jackson doesn't bathe.
Jaxson?
He ain't
Yes, he does.
gonna-
When was the last time he took a shower?
Oh,
Go bathe, Papa.
well then.
Destiny, go figure out your clothes and
I'll
stuff.
bathe with him.
Maddie, where you going, Mama? Upstairs? Okay. All right. Look at the walk. Get your walk. Get your walk. Get the walk. Okay, so I got the house cleaned up. It's nice and clean. I'm making breakfast now because the kids have to be out of here we have to leave by 9, and it's 8:30. And I'm making their lunch for, they're going somewhere with their mentor today, and they need lunch. So, I'm doing that. And then I have, muffins. Not muffins, cupcakes. Does it need to come out?
What? Okay. Awesome. Check on that.
Oh. Oh man. Hold the camera. Oh.
That's perfect.
My pancake skills are horrible.
Those back pants.
Oh man. Lord have his mercy on me today. Okay, now we gotta drop more. Sprinkles for the sprinkle people. The people that want sprinkles.
Just make one big pancake.
Alright. Syrup? Who wants syrup?
Me.
Let's do Maddie's first. Can you get a fork for her? This is little Maddie. Hey, baby. What do you say? Thank you. Just don't drop it, because Juju will enjoy that. Someone walk her to the table for me, please. It doesn't matter. I think it's all the same, equal portion. There you go.
Thank you.
You want this one?
Which table?
It doesn't matter, whatever. Do you want more?
It's fine.
That's good.
I don't want syrup.
You don't want syrup?
No.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Destiny,
Come on, I do.
you want syrup? No? You don't want any syrup? No? Okay, here you go. Honey, ready for your breakfast? I gotta get hubby plate. I forgot to get his plate. Every time I cook, my kitchen is a hot disaster. Ooh, this is dirty. All right. Let's try this again. You guys are not washing your plates properly. All right, let's see. It looks clean. That's dirty. Oh my gosh, what is up? Do I have to pull everything out of here? All right. Let's see. All right, that's it. That's it. I'm done. Hubby, how many pancakes you want? 2? You want sprinkle or non-sprinkle? Huh?
I don't do that crap.
You don't want sprinkle?
Okay, I'll take sprinkle.
All right. You want egg?
Yeah.
There you go. I have to clean up the kitchen before we leave. So you're gonna have to share your stuff. Let me having your thing hanging out in my video. That thing.
Did
I
you
think
get
I
food
saw
already?
it. No. But you can eat. I'm good. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen and then we're ready to go. Who did not get their muffin container? I see Jordan. Where's Jason? Jason, you need I feel like they need some kind of something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. It's 42. I got 15 minutes to get out of here. You found your container?
I think this one.
No, that's too small. How about this one? Where's the top? You have to find the top there. You gotta find the top, buddy. You found it? Alright. Okay, put it here, let it cool. Then we'll cover it up once we're ready to leave. Hurry up and eat. So we are out. You guys like my shirt? Says I used to be a people person until people ruined it. Good morning, guys. It's been a good day so far. It was just a rough little start. This phone shakes a lot. Oh my gosh, I need a stabilizer. Cause I was watching back the videos and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so shaky. And I'm so sorry if you guys get nauseous. But I just wanted to hop on here and say good morning. Rob, are you ready to make your debut? Rob, are you ready? Do it for the camera, Rob. Do it for the camera.
Good morning, sunshines.
There you go. You're getting better at it. He's getting better at it. Guys, you guys were too sweet to him. Too sweet. Everybody loved him. Thought he was hilarious. He's not. I'm the funny one, not him. He's just. Yeah, he's not the funny one. I'm the funny one. I'm the one that makes everything around here interesting. And everybody come to a stop and just like, yeah, it's a stop sign. Good morning, guys. It's gonna be an amazing day because it's Sunday. So just left Aldi and for Philip, for fill-in this week we spent $36.77. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a grocery haul. The ground beef was the most expensive, but we got a big pack, so that's gonna be separated. And then the meat, the drumsticks were at $2.93, $2.90. Like that's the cheapest I found. So I think Aldi is gonna be the winner. And then I had chicken tenders to make chicken alfredo for the kids for lunch this week, and also for dinner for us. And then look at that, we paid for plastic bags, and then yeah, so fill in this week, not too bad, right?
How much were the bags?
So yeah, Aldi's, I think it's a hit or miss for us. it's a hit or miss for us when it comes to shopping at Aldi. Sometimes I feel like Aldi's prices are just not even worth the drive over to where ours is located. So I don't know. We shall see next week what I do.
Your process.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, my double chin. Anyways, guys, we're still in the car because we just picked up the kids. I donated plasma today to save a life. Woohoo! Yay me! Yeah. But they also pay you to donate plasma. So is this thing in the right position? Let me come back. Okay, back to what I was saying. So ooh, don't shake, don't shake, don't shake. So yeah, they pay you to donate plasma. And I was worried I wasn't gonna be able to make it because I am anemic. Like, I have low iron. I've always had low iron, and the lady was like, you know, they don't really get too many, you know, anemic people that come through, and, you know, borderline on the numbers, because I was on the number. Like, I was just meeting all the minimums. And I went in and got my, you know, my little bit of money for donating. And your first couple of donations, the amount is
Jason.
a big amount, and he wants me to spend it on him. Like,
I'm hungry.
no, you know what I'm saving my money for? To get my fridge, because he don't want to pay for my fridge. Even though I told him I will borrow the money from you and pay you back. Like, whatever I do, like if I go donate, you know, plasma, I will give you the money. If I make, you know, my little bit of change from YouTube, I will give you that back. Just loan me the money and I will buy the fridge and have a nice little fridge. But no, he don't want to do that. But guess what? You ain't going about to use my I stopped direct deposit of my little YouTube coin into the account, and he's not using my plasma card because I'm not about that life. So guys, we're in the house. My arm hurts so bad. I don't know if I'm being exaggerated or something, but my arm hurt. My fine man back there just cooking up dinner. Like, yeah. I'm helping the boys with their mentor assignment. So after each visit, they have to write a paper. So Jason is up, and then next is Jordan, and then Destiny usually does a review. I don't want it on my eye. Oh yeah, look how pretty I am. So Rob is in the house. Yeah. Rob, wanna vlog, Rob?
Not right now.
Not right now? Yeah. Rob is not up to vlogging today. But I promise you guys, he's coming. He's coming. We're working with him, okay? We're working with him. We're training Mr. Rob. Look. He's coming more towards the camera. They have a name.
They do have a name.
Yeah, they do have a name.
Sunshines.
Okay, then what do you say?
Hello, Sunshine.
Hi, Sunshines. That's it? You don't have anything? You don't want to know how their day went?
No, I'm cooking.
Okay. How you guys' day went? Mine went really well. I donated to plasma. The lady was surprised at how fast. No, not right now. Dinner's almost ready. The lady was surprised at how fast the plasma, how fast I was able to give plasma. She was like, it's a record time. And I'm like, whoa, what does that mean? Like, am I golden? Like, yeah. But she was like, usually it takes people anywhere from 4 to 6 or 4 to 8 or whatever, how many pumps. And I did it in 2.5 pumps. So I was like, that's what's up. That's what's up. And I'm like, okay, all right, it's time to go. So, whew, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, it hurts.
Take the thing off. It'll be alright.
No, it hurts even more when I take it off. He's a trooper. He's an old timer. He's been doing it for almost 2 months now, right? Or even more. But it's supposed to snow tonight. And I don't know if the kids have school. But I hope they don't, so I can get to rest, because I feel tired after donating my plasma. I feel so drained. The lady said if I wanted to take a nap, I could take a nap. Can I take a nap now, baby?
No.
Okay, well, the lady recommendation versus my husband recommendation is two different things. What kind of pan do you need? To bake? To bake?
No, you're baking these. Put these on the thing.
Oh.
I need to.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to go finish up dinner. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Say bye, honey.
Bye.